Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I'm so glad that you are here with me today. I hope that you are all doing well and I hope that you stay with me till the end of this video. So this is a tutorial and this is going to show you how I made this affirmation cards that I use daily. I had a couple of requests for this tutorial, so please stay with me and hopefully this video inspires you to make your own affirmation cards and something to give away to your friends and family. Mine is laminated, but you don't really have to do that. You can just write it in a nice piece of paper and then just use your binding ring. And that makes a very nice booklet or something that is all together that you can just put in your desk. So this is what I have in my Etsy shop, and this is an instant download and it is very inexpensive. And this is how the file looks like when it is printed. And when you purchase this, you can print it as much and as many as you want. This is an exclusive design and this is really what I use when I do my affirmations. So a file has 16 different affirmations and the size of each card is 3 3/4 by 4 1/4 inches. And this design is what I showed in my video last night. I have a couple more designs available in my shop, but they have the same affirmations. Here is another design, and I also love this one. This gives you a very peaceful mood, and I love the colors too. And then this one is another design, the same affirmations. Maybe you can tell me which design you like best. That will help me plan the next design. You can leave me a comment and I will really appreciate that very much. So let's say this is the first design, which is similar to what I use. And then this is the second design. And then this is the third design. So let me know what you like best. That would help me a lot. Okay, so now we are going to cut the cards and I will use my paper trimmer, but you can always use your scissors if you don't have a paper trimmer because the lines are very visible. So you can do that, very visible. And so we are just going to cut it to 3 3/4 by 4 1/4 inches. And I will speed up this process so as not to bore you. So now all the cards are properly cut and done. And let me show you the leftover paper. So I have all this that I will keep because I use them for packaging. Let me show you what I mean. So I have the seam binding and I sell them by 5 yards. And I use always the leftover paper as part of my packaging. And I also write there the color of the seam binding, and sometimes I use that to make a tag, and these ones I throw away. So now that everything is done, I am just going to distress the edges, and I use walnut stain. I like this color. This part is optional. You don't have to do this, but I like my edges distressed a little bit, and I will speed up this part. So now we are done, and these are our affirmation cards. Very simple and very easy to do. And again, some of the steps are optional. You do not have to laminate the cards. You do not also have to add seam binding or ribbon. You can just use any cord. But these cards make really special gifts. And these are small cards, so you can always carry this with you. What is important is that you believe in what you are saying. We do this to reprogram our thinking patterns. And you know what? Affirmation also help to mitigate the effects of stress. That is why I always do this, because I also get stressed. I get frustrated. I get affected by what is going on around us. So I say my affirmations daily, and however many times I need to. So there you go, everyone. This is what I have for you today. I hope that you like this video. Please let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. And I'd like to say hello to Sandy. Hello, Ayesha, Zoila, Tammy, James, and Joanne. And hello, Karen. I hope that you're doing well. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Take care. God bless you. Stay safe. Bye now.